I mean, if you think suffering in this heat is bad, it's going to get hotter. And I hate to be the bearer of this hot news, but it is true. And you're really going to have to prepare, because over the weekend is when we're expecting these temperatures to start climbing. And when you're spending more time outdoors, please make sure you're hydrating and taking good care of your body. I really suggest Pedialyte, because of the electrolytes and just how much better that is for your body. Let's take a look at our cameras around town. Bluebonnet skies, that has not changed, but you see the upper left, the Morgan's Wonderland camp camera, and even the San Antonio Airport camera. When you don't see a cloud, that means this high is flexing. And that means it gets even hotter, because remember, high pressure is a sinking air motion. It's pressing down on the surface. And that means you've got compression. And so whenever that happens, the physics of the atmosphere says that when you compress, you heat even more. So up to 102 as a result. 104 is what it feels like, because the dew point's over 60 and the winds are south. That also makes a difference, and that sends us up a few ticks as well. Heading out this evening, 103s through 5 p.m. So it's going to get a little bit hotter. Could even hit 104 for a high today. 6, 101, 7, 100. So if you're heading out for any Friday evening plans, prepare for the heat, or stay inside and stay cool, because upper 90s, even mid 90s at 9 o'clock, and we're staying in the 90s until midnight tonight. So that's why we're asking that you conserve your energy usage through 8 p.m. Through the hottest hours of the day, try to avoid using the large appliances at your house. Here's a setup for the heat advisory. This is in effect until 9 p.m. tonight. And we've got 2 counties in the excessive heat warning, Frio and Atascosa. This changes tomorrow. San Antonio will be under an excessive heat warning for Saturday. The added is the red flag warning for all these counties, because of just how dry it is. And the winds too. I'll show you those in a moment. But how dry is it? Well, we're dry. We're the worst drought condition in Texas, but then you've got to travel all the way up to Kansas before you find drought condition as bad as ours is. Here's the setup. Exceptional. Look at that pocket. I mean, still all of Kendall County. This was updated yesterday. Sliver of northern Bear, half of Bandera, almost all of Kerr now. And then it's extreme if it's not there. So here's the winds that also contribute to that red flag warning. Near 30-mile-an-hour gusts at 10:30 tonight. And then it's not breezy during the day so much. It's the nighttime hours. It'd be nicer if these winds were helping fan the 103 and 4 degree heat, but it holds off until the nighttime hours. There's 11 o'clock Saturday night with wind gusts near 30 miles per hour. So here's the numbers we're expecting for tomorrow. As we get into Saturday, it's going to get a little bit hotter. We go to 101 or 102 by about this time tomorrow, and then probably finish around 103 or even 104 for Saturday. So very, very hot. Please pay attention to your body. If you stop sweating, you're going from heat exhaustion to heat stroke. If the dizziness starts turning into a migraine headache, you start cramping, but then you start running fever and getting nauseous, you're going to heat stroke, and it's time to call 911. 7-day forecast and the brutal truth. 104s over the weekend, 105 Monday, and here we go. I'm going with 106 through midweek next week. No relief. 105 on Thursday, no chance of rain. We'll be right back.